power words that will change your life and help you manifest anything you desire.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you might be listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. Delighted, thrilled, excited, motivated to be here today because we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I love doing this podcast today. I'm going to do this podcast with you in mind. I'm going to share with you some words that I believe if you will maybe write 3 of them down a day, carry it on a 3x5 card, and go out of your way to use these words, you will begin to manifest more of what you truly desire. These words have power. These words have energy. Words are things, right? So, words open up the vault to the infinite field of potential and unlock your power. But unfortunately, due to our PC culture, we've become very milquetoast in our language. And when you become milquetoast in your language, nobody really gets what you're talking about. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's a way of lying. It's a way of holding yourself back and lying to yourself or to others. So here we go. I'm going to share these words with you, but first, I want to remind you to be sure and subscribe to us on YouTube. Click the bell icon because we do these live videos from time to time with question and answers, and you'll be notified. And also subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Now, I also want to mention that we have something very special coming up. It's manifesting beyond belief. And I do mean manifesting beyond your wildest dreams and imagination. And we're doing an hour kind of a preview to manifesting beyond belief. And it's coming up soon. You need to register. You go to startmanifesting.com. That's www.startmanifesting.com and register. It will cost you nothing. There's no obligation, but I'm absolutely certain you will find it worth your time to join us on this worldwide webinar that we are doing. Okay? So to get that taken care of. Are you ready? Now I'm going to use you instead of me or I. So as I create sentences, I'll use you. But when you create sentences for yourself, obviously you're going to use the word I. Amazing. First off, I think the word amazing is amazing. People always spark up when you say the word amazing. You are an amazing manifester. You have the ability to manifest anything you truly desire. Audacity. I love that word because it says, I have the energy, the fortitude, the power to go against the crowd. You have the audacity to challenge your friends. You have the audacity to challenge your parents and create your own dream, your own life, your own destiny. Backbone. Well, there's a very similar word. You have incredible backbone to do anything you want to do, to be anything you want to be. Belief. Nothing is stronger than belief. You are filled with belief. Belief pours through your body, and that's why you are such an incredible manifester. Bravery. I love this word. Don't you love that word? Doesn't it just make you feel good? It's a word you don't hear much anymore. You are brave. You act with bravery. in everything you do. Though you may feel fear, you march on, you move forward with bravery. Breathtaking. What you are creating with your life is absolutely breathtaking. Cheer. The world cheers for you. You are filled with cheer and happiness and joy and power and light. It feels good. Conquer. You have fears and doubts, or you had them, but you conquered them. You conquer that which stands in your way and holds you back from your destiny. Because, next word, you are filled with courage. Courage is literally a part of who you are from beginning to end. Daring. You are a daring individual that is a pioneer in creating the life that you desire. Delight. You are a delight to be with. You are filled with positive energy, positive light, positive joy, abundance, prosperity. You are an incredible delight. Here's an important word that I think is underused in our society because, well, loyalty has been lost. There's not a lot of loyalty anymore amongst friends, even family, as there has been in the past. And that's a character trait that we really need to rebuild. But the word is devoted. You are devoted to your employees. You're devoted to your husband. You're devoted to your wife. You're devoted to your children. You're devoted to your goals. You're devoted to your dreams. And the next word is excited. Because you are devoted, you are also excited. You are excited about unfolding a new future that is absolutely astonishing, amazing. Faith. You have the faith of a mustard seed. But with that faith that you have the ability to move mountains. Because, next word, you are fearless. You never allow fear and doubt to make your decisions for you. You are absolutely fearless.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.
As strong as you are, as wonderful as you are, as successful as you are, new word, you are grateful. Grateful. You're grateful for your family. You're grateful for your life. You're grateful for the air that you breathe. You're grateful. Your life is filled with gratitude. Because, next word, you have grit. You have power. Grit to take on the tough job. Other people, they just avoid the tough jobs, but you have the grit to move forward. Happy. It feels good to be happy. That's our next word. And you are a happy person. You choose to be happy. It's the choice that you make. You like being happy and you like helping others to be happy because it makes your, next word, heart feel absolutely wonderful to make people happy. You have a big heart. Your heart is filled with light and love and joy. It's a wonderful blessing. You are a hero. Next word. A hero. You are an unsung hero. People may not know your name. They may not recognize your face, but you are a hero. Because one of the things that you bring to the world, that you bring to your family, that you bring to your friends, that you bring to the people you touch, one of the things you bring, new word, is hope. You are a beacon of hope. You are a lighthouse of hope. And you are jubilant. When people walk in a room, they see and feel your energy because you are jubilant. You're filled with joy and abundance and prosperity and jubilance. Next word, magic. There is magic everywhere in the world. The trees blossoming, the hummingbird flying by, pulling a little nectar out of a flower. The flower itself is magic. Everything is magic. Everything is special. Everything is unique. And here's what's very interesting, what's very exciting. You are magic. You are a magic individual. When you are around people, they just feel alive. They feel wonderful. They feel that magic. Mind-blowing. You have incredible ideas. Your mind is filled with mind-blowing ideas because your life is a miracle. There's the next word. Miracle. You understand that miracles aren't simply biblical experiences. They're daily experiences because you choose to see miracles. You understand that you are nature's greatest miracle. While the stars in the sky may be beautiful and the ocean is magnificent, you are nature's greatest miracle.
This is the #1 podcast on personal empowerment, success, and the law of attraction. You're listening to the Miracle Mentor of Light, Robert Zink.
Sensational. Life is sensational. Your career is sensational. Your business is sensational. Your family is sensational. Spectacular. There are wonderful things in the world, such as the Grand Canyon, the pyramids, Stonehenge, the mountains. They're all spectacular. But nothing is more spectacular than you when you are vibrating at a high frequency, at your perfected self. Nothing is more spectacular, what a wonderful word, than when you are connecting with divine source. Because you are filled with, next word, spirit. The spirit of the living God flows through you. God is in you. The spirit is in you, and you are in the spirit. Staggering. It is absolutely staggering how much you have accomplished already with your life, how many obstacles you have overcome. And it's staggering to just think about the legacy that you will leave to the world. You are stunning. When you walk out of your house, even when you've got some old jeans on or old clothes on, work clothes, there's something about your energy that makes you stunning. You are as stunning as a beautiful rose growing in the snow on a cold winter day. You are stunning. You are triumphant. Your life is filled with triumph. I don't care what you've been through. I don't care what challenges you've taken on. I don't care what defeats you've experienced. You are triumphant. You are triumph. You triumph over adversity. You triumph over fear. You triumph over doubt. Because the one word that describes you best when dealing with a challenge, when dealing with your own limiting beliefs at times, is victory. You choose the path of victory. Victory is the word. You choose the path of victory because it's the only path worth walking. It's the only path worth living. And finally, the world is wonderful. Nature is wonderful. Your family is wonderful. Your friends are wonderful. You attract wonder into your life because you are wonderful. And you can also include the word wondrous as well. Wonderful and wondrous. Now, I've given you several words that if you will write them down and you will use them in your daily language, and by the way, this is not the compendium of positive language or optimistic or manifesting language. There's many, 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 many more words that we could use. But this will give you a wonderful start. But again, it takes action. You have to be willing to put skin in the game. You have to be willing to write these down, 2 or 3 or 4 words at a time, and make a commitment to use these words in affirmations about yourself and about who you are, but also about other people, about other situations, about the life that you are living and manifesting. Use these words. I promise you, you will manifest beyond belief. Have a great day now, because you are amazing. You are a miracle. You are stunning. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.